start by drenching my hair. This allows my curl pattern to loosen up before I apply whatever I'm using to detangle. Today I'm using Rihanna's The Richer One Moisture Repair Conditioner. It's lightweight and it smells amazing. Once my strands are saturated, I part my hair in sections. I use my diamond brush to gently detangle. This is sped up, but I take my time and make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled. Remove any single strand knots with my hands. Then I rinse. My hair already feels 10 times more moisturized and manageable than when I started. Then I go in with the Richer One Moisture Repair Shampoo. It really doesn't take much with this one. It emulsifies very well. Like, you'll see the suds immediately, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling streaky or stripped. I use a little scalp scrubber to make sure I'm really cleansing my scalp and removing any buildup. Then I rinse again. Then I apply the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner and oil, and then depending on the state of my hair, I'll mix in the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. It's a bond builder. It's a game changer for my 4C hair. Like, I wish I had a microscope to show you how my hair has changed. It's so much stronger, less split ends. My hair has gotten longer, and I've been using this line since it came out, and now my hair is pretty much past my bra strap. I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer. Heat really helps products penetrate into my low porosity hair.